He's a bad beast on that barbecue, on the grill or the smoker. He knows just what to do. He's a bad beast on that barbecue.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, welcome back to another episode of Bad Beast Barbecue. We got lucky again today. The rain stopped about 7 a.m. and we're out here on a Sunday, and it's not supposed to rain again until about 8 o'clock tonight, so we're going to take the opportunity to cook a couple of slabs of baby back ribs, okay? So what we're going to be doing is, if you guys remember my mail call video where I showed all the stuff that these different companies sent to us, and I'll put an iCard up here, one side or the other, in the screen, so you guys can check out the mail call video if you want to. But we're going to be trying some of the Fat Boy all natural barbecue rubs, okay? We're going to put this Fat Boy sweet rub on one slab of ribs, and we're going to use this Fat Boy teriyaki rub on another slab of baby back ribs, okay? Now, when I'm testing these flavors for these different ribs and these different these different rubs and these different sauces, I don't like combining them together because I don't think you get a good example of what the flavoring is like. So we're just going to dry rub these down. We're going to smoke these on the Tec 700 today, and then we're going to see how these taste at the very end, okay? I will test the other sauces and rubs individually as the summer goes on, okay? So hey, sit back, relax, don't go nowhere. Hey, watch us do this quick prep work, and we're gonna get these bad boys on the Tec, and we'll give you a taste test, and we're gonna let you know exactly how the Fat Boy teriyaki and the Fat Boy sweet rubs come out. right, guys, so we're finished with our cook, man. It took about 5 hours for the baby back ribs to get done. We cooked them unwrapped for 3 hours so you get plenty of smoke. The entire cook we cooked at 225 degrees, and then we wrapped them in foil. We cooked them for the last 2 hours wrapped in foil with nothing added, and then we took them out of the foil and then we let them cook a little bit more unwrapped for about 10 to 15 minutes, just so all of these sauces and everything could kind of tack up and everything could get solidified. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and have a taste test. Okay, so I don't know if you could tell, but the teriyaki rub had some seeds in it and some small seasonings and stuff, so we're gonna try that one first. That's got a great sweet smell to it, almost like an Asian smell to it. Okay, let's taste it. That one's real nice. It's sweet. It's got like this Asian kick to it. You can taste all the spices and stuff, man, but it definitely has kind of a teriyaki type flavoring to it. So when the ribs are really nice and sweet and moist and pull away from the bone, fantastic, man. These came out really, really good. Okay, so let's go ahead and try the sweet rub from Fat Boys. And this one it smells sweet, but it's a different aroma than the teriyaki ones. But it smells really good. All right, let's go ahead and taste. That's a pretty good rub too. It's got a sweet flavor to it. Nothing overpowering. It's just a nice, sweet, even rub, okay? But I think it could have used an addition of maybe a little bit of a salt and pepper base to go along with the sweetness of the rub. That would have probably balanced the whole thing out. I think out of these two right here, and I got several more to try, I like the teriyaki a little bit more than I do the sweet, because the teriyaki has a different range of flavors in it, okay? With the teriyaki flavoring, the sweetness, and kind of an herbaceous type teriyaki flavor, it's a little bit more pronounced than the sweet rub, okay? Well, that's it, man. Hey, I want to thank the folks at Fat Boy All Natural Barbecue Products, okay, for sending us the sauces and the ribs. We're going to be doing more videos for those products in the upcoming weeks and things of that nature, so be on the lookout for those. I'll put the link in the description block and here at the bottom of the screen for Fat Boy All Natural Barbecue Products if you guys are interested in ordering any, okay? Also, if you guys are interested in a Tec grill, check out the guys at tecgrills.com. They make some fabulous products, okay? Of course, the ones that I have, the 700 I cooked on, they still make, but they're continuously adding to their repertoire. I think now they got a Santa Maria style grill out there at Tec, so check them out. Well, that's all we have time for today. Like we always say, where there's smoke, there's fire, and if it's fire, then damn it, there just might be a barbecue there. Hey, as always, we'll see you guys around the smoker. I need some damn good ribs. Gonna make them jealous at work this week.